So welcome to the Python workshop. And this Python is a programming language which is very, very famous nowadays. Python is a programming language which is very, very famous nowadays. In computer, if you want to develop an application like a Facebook, an application like a YouTube, an application like a Zoom, an application like a Gmail, an application like a Google, whatever the application you want to develop, Python is a very important programming language nowadays. First of all, we try to understand what is Python. Anybody? Anybody tell what is Python? I will give you a chocolate. Tell me what is Python? It is a big snake, huh? No, sir, it is big snake. Python is what? Big snake. More than anaconda. More than anaconda. Snake, anaconda, Python. Python is a very big snake, which can able to eat big animals also. At the same time, our Python programming is also can able to develop a big applications. Big applications also Python can able to develop. And remember one point, Python is very, very simple. Very, very simple. If you know English, if you know basic mathematics, if you know basic calculations, everybody can able to write Python program. Everybody can able to write Python programming. The way of writing Python program is very, very comfortable, very, very simple. Remember the point. And come to the point. So our coming future sessions are going to be available for Python for kids. So we are going to be planning a session for kids, and we are going to be starting a Python for core level, basic fundamentals of the Python in the core Python process. Kids Python, very, very simple. It's like an animation movie. Kids means not like a huh? Kids means like schooling people, 4th to 10th class people. So those people have a different Python. And 10th to inter standard, those people have little bit complex Python, little bit koddiga complex. 10th to graduate, some more complex, little bit advanced level. And come to the full stack Python. Full stack Python is available for the graduates. Graduates means like BTechs, MCS, MTechs, MS people who already married or unmarried, పెళ్ళైన వాళ్ళు పెళ్లి కాని వాళ్ళు. But ఒక standard, one BTech is completed, one MCA got completed, studies completed, a graduation completed. So those particular people, Python full stack is there. Python full stack is from graduate level, we are going to be planning. There are 4 different kind of sessions we are going to be handle in future. And this workshop for everyone, whatever the workshop I am going to be dealing today, this particular workshop of Python is kids, same for kids, some 10th to inter standard, from 10th to graduates, at the same time after graduate persons also. Whatever the Python I am going to be dealing today, this is very, very simple, very, very easy, and this could be available for everyone. Am I clear? So let me write some more points of the Python. So in our next level, you can able to refer your friends or colleagues or your family members. You can able to refer these things. So we have a different kind of technical skills here, and we are going to be having artificial intelligence, MERN stack Angular, full stack Python, MERN stack React, Google Cloud Platform, AWS, Azure cloud systems. Data is going to be storing very, very big nowadays. So that much data need to handle with the cloud. So those cloud also we are actually having a different batches. Spark Scala is also there. Salesforce is there, data science is there, full stack is there, digital marketing is also there. Nowadays, marketing is not in pamphlets. Nowadays, marketing in Facebook, marketing in YouTube. You can see YouTube ads, you can see Facebook ads. People are actually watching YouTube reels, YouTube videos. Some ads are coming. Ads are coming. Ads and advertisements. So by the advertisements, we can able to purchase the product. By seeing the advertisement, people are attracting for that particular business. Sir, no? ఎవరన్నా మనం ఒకటి కొనాలి అంటే ఒక అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూసే కొంటాం కదా, అవునా కాదు? అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూస్తుంటాం కదా, అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూసి టెంప్ట్ అయిపోయి కొనేస్తాం. బిజినెస్ కంపెనీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి బెస్ట్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్, కంపెనీ పీపుల్ వాట్, ఒక అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఇచ్చేస్తే మీరు టెంప్ట్ అయిపోతారు. విరాట్ కోహ్లీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సమ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్, పెప్సీ కొనేస్తారు. సచిన్ ఈస్ అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ బూస్ట్ అంటే బూస్ట్ తాగేస్తారు. అంతేనా? మహేష్ బాబు ఈస్ గివింగ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ విత్ నవరత్న ఆయిల్ అంటే ఎవ్రీబడి గోయింగ్ ఫర్ నవరత్న ఆయిల్. అంటే మహేష్ బాబు వాడుతున్నాడు, మనం ఎందుకు వాడు? కరెక్టేనా? సో దట్ మచ్ పాపులారిటీ ఫర్ ద అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్. సో దట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ కోర్స్ ఇన్ ఐటీ. అందరు నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ లెర్న్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్. ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ లెర్న్ పైథాన్. ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ లెర్న్ different IT skills. There is no age restriction. నా ఏజ్ చిన్నది, నేను చిన్న పిల్లాడిని. నో. 8th class person in US, 7th class person, sorry, 7th class person నెలకి 3 లక్షల salary. నిజంరా? I will show one picture. 7th class standard one person earning 3 lakhs per month. He's having 15 plus programming languages. 15 programming languages lo master. A passion, that much passion you have to have. Okay, so let it be. Let me go with the Python now. Please share, online people, please share your names, email IDs, phone numbers, and qualifications. One more time I'm telling, end of the session, we are going to be providing one certificate. What certificate it is? Participate certificate. Participation certificate. You can show your parents. Okay, fine. Let's go. I am closing this presentation now. Let me open Notepad. Everybody can able to see? Okay. Convince in the last visible. Okay. Now let me go. Python. Python is popular programming language in 2024. Python is popular annava, most popular annava. You can make it on. Python is most popular programming language in 2024. Python is most popular language in 2024. Notes ఎవరు రాయద్దండి. నో నోట్స్. ఈ నోట్స్ అంతా మీకు ఇస్తాను, తర్వాత రాసుకుందరు కానీ. ఈ నోట్స్ అంతా షేర్ చేస్తాను. I will share these notes and you can write it in your notes. బట్ క్లాస్కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు పద్ధతిగా రావాలని చెప్పి నోట్స్ పెన్ను తెచ్చుకోమని చెప్తాను. బట్ లిజన్ ద క్లాస్, లిజన్ టు మీ, లిజన్ ద క్లాస్, లిజన్ టు మీ. జస్ట్ ఫోకస్. సినిమా చూసేటప్పుడు నోట్స్ రాస్తారా? సినిమాని ఏం చేస్తారు? సినిమానే చూస్తారు, అంతేనా? హీరోయిన్ ఎవరు వచ్చింది, సాంగ్ లో స్టెప్ ఎలా ఇస్తున్నాడు అల్లు అర్జున్, దట్స్ వాట్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూయింగ్. మళ్ళీ ఆ స్టెప్ మనం ఇంటికి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో పైథాన్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ పాపులర్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇన్ 2024. One important point, Python is simple. One more important point, Python for everyone. Python for everyone. Everybody can able to learn Python. With Python, we can able to develop. With Python, we can able to develop any kind of applications. One important point, fourth point is very, very important. With Python, we can able to develop. Develop means chedam. We can able to build any kind of application. Any kind of application. And one more important point. Python is free. Python is free. Double gatala. No need to pay. No need to pay money for Python download. No need to pay money for Python install. Python is free. Python is open source. Open source means Python is open source. Open source means it is available for everyone. It is available for everyone. US lo unnavallu, UK lo unnavallu, వేరే కంట్రీస్ పాకిస్తాన్ లో ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, న్యూజిలాండ్ లో ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, ఇండియాలో ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, తెనాల్లో ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, చెన్నై, బెంగళూరు, everybody can download Python. But everybody Python is same. Everybody doing Python is same. Getting my point? Python is free. Python is open source. One more important thing. Python follows indentation. Later I will tell what is the point of indentation. Later I will tell what is the point of indentation. Python follows indentation. And one more important point. Python files saved with .py format. Python files saved with .py format. .py format. Python files saved with .py format. Remember it. Getting my point? Everybody getting understand? Okay, so there are multiple editors to write about Python and what kind of applications you can able to develop in Python. So ikkada cheppanu kada, fourth point. You can see fourth point. With Python we can able to develop any kind of application. Any kind of application means there are multiple types of applications in the market. అడగొచ్చు కదా ఏమేమి టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి అప్లికేషన్స్ మార్కెట్ లో, ఐటీ మార్కెట్ లో ఏ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వేర్ పైథాన్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్, వేర్ పైథాన్ కెన్ బి యూటిలైజ్డ్. Getting my point? The first kind of application is web application. What is the example of web application? Google.com. Chrome is browser. Chrome is a platform. Inside the Chrome you can open Google. Inside the Chrome you can open youtube.com. Inside the Chrome you can open facebook.com. Inside the Chrome, inside the Firefox, inside the Safari, inside the Internet Explorer. Those are actually browsers. Browsers are platforms. Browsers are applications again. You can open google.com. Google.com. When I say .com, it is something like a URL. It is something like a URL. So web applications are basically contained with URLs. Web applications are containing with URLs. So google.com, one URL. You can launch Google page. You can launch Google page using with address. What is the address called? www.google.com. You can launch your Facebook application. You can launch your YouTube application. www.youtube.com. Am I clear? That is web application. One important point. Web application runs with browser. Web application runs with browser. If you don't have the browser, I cannot open my www.google.com. I cannot open my www.youtube.com. Getting my point? So that is browser. Browser is mandatory for web applications. Manaku telisina antavarke. But there are multiple kind of applications available in the market. Multiple other kind of applications available in the market. There is a one more application called desktop application. So some people know about the desktop application. One important point you need to understand, web application runs with internet. Avuna kada? Web application runs with internet. For example, if I don't have internet, can I open Google? If I don't have internet, can I open youtube.com? If I don't have internet, can I open www.facebook.com? Instagram.com? No. It means web applications are compulsory, needed internet connection. But without internet, some applications are working with your laptops or desktops. మీ systems లో కొన్ని అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇంటర్నెట్ లేకపోయినా కూడా పనిచేస్తాయి. ఏం అప్లికేషన్స్ అయ్యి చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పండి. ఎనీబడి నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఉందా? everybody know about notepad, and everybody know about calculator. Everybody know about ms word, తెలుసు కదా. పవర్ పాయింట్, ఎక్సెల్ రా, గుడ్. ఎక్సెల్, ms office means ms word, power point అవన్నీ కలిపితే ms office. ms office is a bulk. ms accesses. Come to the point, there are multiple desktop applications are there. But desktop applications no need internet connection. Internet పనిచేస్తుందా నోట్ ప్యాడ్? చెప్పండి. some awareness, some knowledge, some awareness you have. Some application works with internet, some application which is not works with internet. google.com compulsory internet needed. Notepad, ms office or ms word, powerpoint, excel, all these things without internet also works. Okay, with python you can develop a notepad kind of application. With python you can develop a google kind of application. With python you can develop a youtube kind of application, which is something like internet based applications, not internet based applications. You can able to develop that kind of applications using with python. చూడండి, పైథాన్ అన్ని చోట్ల ఉంది. వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ పైథాన్ is available. Desktop applications python is available. At the same time, there are some applications, మీకు తెలియదులే, కొన్ని అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ applications, face recognition, face id, face lock, finger thumb registration application, voice recognition application. Siri, google Siri, how many know google Siri? Very good. Chat gpt, those applications are basically artificial intelligence applications. Voice search, just open the google Siri. Hello Siri, what is the weather today? What is the weather today in Tenali? What is the weather today in Hyderabad? What is the weather today in Pakistan? You can able to ask her. If Siri knows, Siri will tell. Okay, that kind of internet artificial intelligence applications also can able to develop in Python. Artificial intelligence applications also can develop in Python. And one more application, data science applications. Data science applications also can able to develop in Python. Yes, games, Iswar. Games, if anybody want to develop games, nowadays people are actually more addictable with the games. When PUBG is there, PUBG is the most popular game nowadays. Free Fire, how many people are using Free Fire? 1 2 3 4 5 best fellows. Good. Okay, so yes, kids need to play. Olden days kids play cricket only. Cricket, basketball, some different games. Nowadays kids are mobile addicted games. Okay, so gaming applications very popular. మరి మీలాంటి ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా. For all the kids, for all the పెద్దవాళ్ళు కూడా ఆడతారులే ఫ్రీ ఫైర్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ కిడ్స్. And క్యారమ్ పూల్, So many people are actually in games also. Candy Crush, okay. So gaming applications also can develop with Python. Gaming applications also can develop with Python. Chudandi, web applications are there. Desktop applications are there. Artificial intelligence applications are there. Data science applications are there. One example for data science application. Data science is not an application. Data science integrated with applications. For example, if I take Amazon, how many people know Amazon application? How many people know Amazon? Amazon. If you purchase one product in Amazon, today you purchase a shoe in Amazon. Now, today you installed Amazon in your mobile, you purchase a shoe. Okay, your daddy purchased a shoe. Tomorrow, your daddy open Amazon application. What Amazon is showing? A lot of shoes. Lot of shoes, lot of recommendations. Lot of shoes, lot of shirts, lot of clothing related items, for example. For example, today in your mummy phone, mummy installed Amazon. Mummy purchased a jewelry. Mummy purchased jewelry. Tomorrow, when you open Amazon, you can find only jewelries. More and more jewelries. Why? Why means that application behind data science is working. That application behind data science is working. Data science is a technique. Data science is a technique. Scientifical approach on data. Scientifical approach on data. Some algorithm is working backend. Some algorithm is working on Amazon data. In Amazon, millions of products are there. But all millions of products you can't see. But based on your search, based on your interest, some products will come on top of the page, on top of the Amazon screen or your screen. That is some recommendation system. That recommendation system is one simple example for data science. Getting my point? I will tell one example for one application. Web application example is YouTube, Google. Desktop application example is Notepad, calculator. Super. Next, artificial intelligence application example is Chat GPT, voice assistants, fingerprint, face recognition. అరే నీకు తెలుసా సెల్ఫ్ డ్రైవింగ్ కార్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ వామ్మో మీ అందరూ ఏ నేర్చుకుంటారా టీచర్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ నేర్చుకోండి అందరూ వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ సో టెస్లా ఓకే సో సెల్ఫ్ డ్రైవింగ్ కార్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ సెల్ఫ్ యాంకర్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ నో యాంకర్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ నో ఉదయ్ భాను నో సుమక్క No Sumaka, only a anchor will come into the stage. Artificial akka will come. Google Talli laga artificial akka will come. Everything is going to be machinized. Everything is going to be machinized. Humans are lazy nowadays. Nowadays, humans are lazy. Machines are active. When people are lazy, machines are coming. Machine is a servant in the future. Machine is the servant in the future. No pani manishi, only machine. Enduku machine? Phone charging పెట్టడానికి. Switch on my power point. Charge my phone. Power off my bathroom lights. Please put on AC switch on. Please put AC switch on. Alexa is AI. That is what I am telling. That is what I am telling. So nowadays Python is available everywhere, sir. Python is available everywhere. That is the reason I am telling Python is popular. Python is interesting. Python is famous. Python is everybody. Python is for everybody. Python is available for multiple kind of applications. Learn Python, settle in your life. Python నేర్చుకుంటే ఏదైనా ఒక అప్లికేషన్ చేయొచ్చు ఫ్యూచర్ లో మంచి జాబ్ వస్తుంది మంచి పెళ్ళాం వస్తుంది మంచి పిల్లలు వస్తారు నేను పెళ్లి చేసుకోవా చేసుకోవాలి చేసుకోవాలి రబ్బాయి ఎట్లా ఎట్లా ఉంటావు పెళ్లి చేసుకోకుండా okay so python is available for games also python is available for web applications python is available for desktop applications python is available for AI applications python is available for data science applications python is available for games am I clear so you can able to develop any kind of applications python is available for AutoCAD 2D 3D applications you know 2D cinema 3D cinema two-dimensional 3-dimensional movies you can able to develop kind of applications 2D application 3D application also using with python using with python not only this ఎప్పుడన్నా ఒక వర్డ్ వినున్నారా బిట్కాయిన్ అని blockchain applications also developing with python blockchain applications also developed with python IoT sensor applications sensors IoT means internet of things sensors applications also developed using with python when you are going bike lo veltunnaru without number plate bike is going automatically camera capturing automatically fine sending to home fine will come to home sensor recognition so many applications lot of applications are basically IoT related internet of things also there so python is everywhere python is everywhere python is available for web python is available for desktop python is available for games python is available for data science python is available for artificial intelligence python is available for AutoCAD 2D 3D python is available for blockchain applications bitcoins ethereum python is available for IoT applications like this ఏది కాదు all applications all kind of IT applications can able to develop using with python programming and ikkada very important thing you need to understand is python is simple in olden days people are writing java .NET different programming languages C++ but when I compare python with other programming languages python is very simple dead easy what is the meaning of dead easy eating like banana eating like banana means banana eating is simple or not banana eating is simple or complicated eating apple is simple or complicated simple only what is the problem okay let's go to the now the point is where I can install python where I can install python one question where I can install python how to write python code how to write python code some questions I am going to be asking now where I can install python how to write python code and how to run python code three simple questions the first question is where I can install python and how to install python how to install python sorry how to write python code where I can write python where I can write python one more extension question every question have extension question also the first question is where I can install python sir python మీరు చెప్తుంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేయాలనిపిస్తుంది వేర్ ఐ కెన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ పైథాన్ ఎక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి సార్ మా ఇంట్లోనా ఎక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి గూగుల్లో కాదురా సిస్టంలో రా యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ పైథాన్ ఇన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ డెస్క్టాప్ నాట్ ఇన్ మొబైల్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఒక కంప్యూటర్ కావాలండి ఫస్ట్ one computer కావాలి every computer is running with one operating system you know some computers are working with Windows operating system some computers are working with the Mac operating system some computers are working with the Linux operating system but more people are using Windows operating system One operating system ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన ఒక డెస్క్టాప్ రెడీగా ఉండాలి, ఇంట్లో కానీ ల్యాబ్లో కానీ. అప్పుడే నేను పైథాన్ని రాయగలను. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Once you have the system, once you have the operating system, then only you can able to write a Python code. But when you want to write Python, you need to install it. Without install Python, you can't able to write Python codes. Without installing software, you cannot able to write the Python code. That is the next point. How to install Python, we need to learn. The first learning point is where I can install Python. The second learning point is how to install Python. Third point is how to write Python code. Very big task. Very big task. There are multiple lines of code we have to write. Addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers if you want to write. Take a first number is 2. Take second number is 3. Add two numbers. Output is 5. That is Python code. If you want to print your name, that is Python code. If you want to print your family members' names, that is Python code. Getting my point? Okay, so where I can write Python? So, okay, sir, I will install Python. I have a laptop, I have a desktop. నా దగ్గర ఒక సిస్టమ్ ఉంది. Python ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తా. చేసినాక ఎట్లా రాయాలి? ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? సిస్టంలో ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? You can write Python anywhere. You can write Python in Notepad. You can write Python code in multiple editors. I will tell multiple editors today. But మీకు ఈజీగా ఉండడానికి ఒక ఎడిటర్ చెప్తా. Only one editor I will tell. Use that editor every day. When you do Python practice, when you want to do Python practice, use one editor. Don't go for multiple editors. Okay. Then how to run Python code I will show. Where you can see the Python output, you can see. Online people, meeting is going to be ending soon. Please join one more time. Online people, meeting is going to be ending very soon. Please join one more time. Same link.
Okay.
Kusuma, Umama Ishwar Rao, Vasku, Chandu, Ishwar, Mogal, Asya.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. And one more important question. How to run Python code? Very simple, straightforward. Click on run button. Click on run button, play button. How to play? Let me go for the first thing. Where I can install in Python, where I can install Python, how to install Python. Python can be installed in any operating system. Python can be installed in any operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay. The second thing, how to install Python. Open browser, search for www.python.org. Open browser, any browser. You open Chrome, you open Internet Explorer, you open Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, whatever you want. Just open a browser like this. www.python.org. www.python.org. So here you can find one option. Here you can find one option. What is the option? Called downloads option. Go to the downloads option. Inside the downloads option, there are multiple platforms. Windows, Mac. Better you can go for Windows. Windows nunchi side grant. You will have one button. Latest version Python you can see here. What is the latest version? 3.12.3. Just click on that. When you click on this, file is downloading here. File is downloading here. Okay. Just after download, open the file. After download, open the exe file. I already have Python, sir. I already have Python. That is the why reason it is asking me what? Modify, repair, uninstall. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. By default, you will get an option called install option. By default, you get one option called install option. Just click on install option. Automatically, it will install in your system. It will install in your operating system. That's it. Then I want to cancel this particular process. When you have double click on the downloaded file, automatically it will install for you. It will ask you next steps. Next కొట్టుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండి. Then automatically the file is automatically installing in your operating system. After installing Python, the immediate step is what? The second step is what? After installing Python, immediate step is what? Okay, so I will write the points. Search www.python.org. Go to downloads options. Inside downloads, select your Windows side. You'll be having Python version, and double click on this or click on this. File will be downloaded in laptop or desktop. And after that, double click on the file. Double click on the file. Click on install option. Click on next option. Click on next option. Then automatically it is going to be installed in your system. That is a process for the installation. After install, there is a one more question. One more question. How to write Python code? Where I can write my Python code? Python code will be returned in editor. There are multiple editors available. One is a Notepad. One is a Notepad++. You can use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. You can use Atom. You can use brackets. Any editor you can use. And after installing Python, one editor will come. One editor will come called IDLE. IDLE is the famous, which will automatically install with Python install. And once you install Python, automatically IDLE will also install. Use IDLE better. Can I go with IDLE? Okay, I don't go with the Notepad, Notepad++, VS Code, Atom, brackets. There is a one thing called Anaconda Navigator. And inside the Anaconda Navigator, there is one thing called Jupyter Notebook. And there is a one thing called Spider. We don't want all these things. Better you can go with what? IDLE. What is IDLE here? Integrated Development Lightweight Environment. IDLE means what? Integrated Development Lightweight Environment. Okay, that's it. Janta okay. In IDLE, we can write Python. In IDLE, we can write Python in two different ways. The first way is interpret mode. What is the interpret mode? Line by line execution. Line by line execution is called interpret mode. Line by line execution is called interpret mode. One more mode you can write Python code. That is the batch mode. Batch mode. What is a batch mode? Batch mode lo em cheyalante file need to save as filename.py format. File need to save as filename.py format. I already told you Python files saved with the .py format. Python files will saved with .py format. That is in the batch mode, not in the interpreted mode. Interpreted mode, line by line execution. Name is equal to Srikanth. Enter the name, automatically Srikanth will come. I will show two modes now. I will show two different modes now. How to run Python code, I will tell you. Now, search option. In search option, you search for what? Idle. In search option, you search for what? Idle. Open idle. Idle is open. What is this mode actually? Interpret mode, not batch mode. Once I open idle open cheste first vachedi interpret mode. Batch mode kaadu. Hindi kada no? Somebody Hindi only. This guy. You can understand now? You can understand the thing? Sometime I will talk Telugu. For these people encouragement. Will encourage cheyali. So now tell me, what is 2 plus 3? Chocolate. I will give chocolate. Very good. Enter. 2 plus 3 is name is equal to KGF. Name stored. Now name is the container. Name is the container. Name is the bucket. Name is the variable. Name is the variable. Variable is something like a container. It can able to hold a different kind of data. A bucket can contain a different kind of data. A container can contain different kind of data. This container can contain a water, or this bucket can contain a oil. This container can contain a powder. Different kind of data. Container is something like a cup. This cup can contain coffee. This cup can contain milk. This cup can boost. This cup can contain Horlicks or tea or water. That is a kind of data. Different data types. Different data types. Container is something like a name. Now this time I am giving name. Name is equal to KGF. What is the name? Ask name. Ask name. I am asking about what is the name. Name is KGF. Okay, name. I don't want to go for the name. This time name is triple R. Now name is, previously bucket is actually having KGF. Now this bucket is having triple R. Okay. X is one container. X can hold the value 10. Y is the container. Y can hold the value 20. Z is X plus Y. What is the Z contain now? Z contained X plus Y. Z contains what? X plus Y. X replaced with 10. Y replaced with 20. Why? Because X already have the 10. Y already have 20. Now finally Z is X plus, okay. 10. First I need to X this. Idle. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 20. Z is equal to X plus Y. Print Z. Z is print cheyali kada. Print Z. Print cheyamani cheppi. When I say print, Z value is printing. Okay, now I want to give a print of single quotes or double quotes. Z value or addition is addition of X and Y is comma Z. Addition of X and Y is addition of X and Y is 30. Okay, now tell me name is equal to triple R. Now print name. Now print name. Triple R. Print my name is no name. My name is name. So name is a variable which already contains some value. After writing my name, just give the comma and provide the variable. What is the variable there? Getting my point? Getting my point? So my underscore town or my underscore country, my underscore country is equal to, I am saying India. Now my country got stored or not? Now print my country. So what is that? Print my country, my underscore country. Print my country. What is my country got? Sir, this is interpreted mode. Every time I need to give the enter. This is getting irritation. I cannot able to write a complete program like this. I want to print all the details of mine, or I want to print all my friend details. What is the name of my friend? What is the age of my friend? What is the qualification of my friend? Am I clear? What is a living area of my friend? Okay, let me take a file, new file. This is bash mode. What is this? Bash mode. Take a new file here. Take a new file. First of all, file save as. File save as desktop. I am choosing the path for desktop. File.py. File.py. This time .py is important. This time .py is important. So name is equal to something like, what is your name? Hemant. Name is Hemant. What is your age? Don't know. Huh? 45. 12. 12 na? ఏం చదువుతున్నావు? 8th. క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఏంది? 8th. Clear? I am writing 3 lines of the code. Can I write prints everything? Print of name. Print of age. Print of qualification. Print of name, print of age, print of qualification. Output. What is the output? How to check the output here? Go to run module F5. Click on F5 or go to run option. Run. Complete code at once. Complete code at once. Save must be. Before run the program, please save all the code. Yes, save. Hemant is there. This is there. And ekkado issue kottindi. Ento chudandi adi. Qualification is issue. Qualification is the problem. Check the qualification. Q capital letter. Q capital letter. That is the problem. Now run the program one more time. Hemant is there. 12 is there. Schooling is there. Hemant is there. 12 is there. Schooling is there. Now, okay, let me do one more thing. Let me do one more thing. So I just want to delete it. Print name is, name is comma
name.
Print of qualification is age kada. Second age is
Age.
Print sir, qualification is comma qualification. End of the output. What is the end of the output of this? Run module. Save it. Name is Hemant. Age is 12. Qualification is good. One program. This is one program. Print your details. Print your details. That's it. Store the data. First you store your data and print the data. Print program. Okay, now I will write one more program. This program is over. I will create a new file. Save the file as desktop edition. addition dot py.
P1.
A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. Print of program hai kada idi? Multiple lines of the code. Program or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Program. What is the output of the program? 30.
30.
Okay. I want to see something like print. First number is comma. What is the first number you stored with?
A.
Good. What is the second number you stored with? Good.
B.
Second number is comma B.
Comma B.
Now print of
Yes, sir.
addition is
Okay.
comma C.
Yes.
ఇది తీసేద్దాం ఈ లైన్.
Okay, sir.
Now finally what is the output of this program? 3 prints. First number is
First
10.
number is
Second number is 20. Third number is
addition of
30. Very good. Third number is 30. Very good. We got the output. Print program. Simply print program. Simply print program. Now let me go with the one more program. What do you want? Subtraction. Subtraction, multiplication, all these things. Okay. One program with all operators. One program with all arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? I will tell. Save. Desktop. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators dot py. Dot py is mandatory. Huh?
yes.
Dot py is mandatory for every program. Dot py is mandatory, but this program for arithmetic operators, I can give comment like this: arithmetic operators. Comments will not execute. If I run this program, is there any Python code here? No Python code. This is comment. Hash. Hash is the single line comment. Comment is basically using for understand the code. My program is basically arithmetic operators. That is the reason I just given a comment. What are the arithmetic operators we have? Plus, minus,
Minus.
star,
Multiple.
slash, double slash. What is plus for?
Addition.
Addition. What is the minus for?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Now, what is the star for?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiplication. What is the slash for? Good, good.
Division.
What is the double slash for? Oh my God. అరే మీరు ఎక్కడో ఉన్నారు. I thought, what is the percentile?
Percent.
Reminder. What is the double star? Power. Power operator. 2 to the power of 2. మీ స్కూల్లో ఉన్నాయి కదా పవర్స్ లేవా? Okay, now let's go with the program. This code will not execute. This code will not execute. Whatever the lines of the things I am writing, this will not execute. Why? Because of all this code is commented. All this code is commented. Just మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి కోసం రాశారు అంతా. But this will not execute. No way. There is no output. No output. Now we'll go for the output. Now we'll go for the output. First number. First underscore number is equal to 10. First number is 10. Second number. Okay. First number అంటే పెద్దగా ఉంది కదా. Can I take x?
Yeah.
Can I take y? You can take variable
Yes.
name your wish. మళ్ళీ వేరియబుల్ కి రూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Variable name should have some rules. ఏది పడితే అది పెడితే తీసుకోదు. Whatever the name you are giving, that will not take. Variable name should follow some rules and regulations. I will tell in the next level. First, we will write some program additions. Then we'll go for the variable rules and regulations. We'll go for the loops and conditions. Now, First print for addition. Chapal mire. Addition is. Can I go with a plus b?
Plus.
Oh, x plus y. Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Addition is x plus y. Can I check the output first? Go to run
Yes.
mode. Addition is 30.
30.
బాబు నిద్రపోతున్నాడు వస్తుందా వస్తే వచ్చింది లేరా ఏం చేసినారు రాత్రి ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ ఆడినావా పో నిద్రపో పర్లేదు ప్రింట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ వస్తుంది లేదు నిద్రపో సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఇస్
Minus
x
y.
మైనస్ కామా పెట్టాలి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి కామా ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ x మైనస్ y నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ is
Comma x into y.
x star y.
Y.
Now print divisor is
Comma slash x in x slash y.
x slash y. Right. Now print floor division is
Comma x
star
double slash y.
double slash y. Now print modulus, that is kind of remainder. Remainder is percentile. X percentile.
Comma
X percentile. Comma పెట్టాలి. X percentile. Y.
y.
ఇంకొకటి మిగిలిపోయిందిరా. Print power value is
Comma x
double
double
star
star y. Y.
Execute the program. Complete program executed once. Run module. Save the program. Addition is 30. 10 plus 20. 10 minus 20. Minus 10.
Yes.
10 minus 20. Minus 10. 10 into 20.
200.
10 by 20. 0.5.
2.5.
Floor division. 0.5. Floor value is 0. Remainder value 10.
10.
Power value 10 to the power of 20. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into atla 20 times. That value is a bigger value. That is also got printed.
Print.
I mean, everything is clear? Clear, huh?
Yes.
Now we'll go with the one more program. Can I close this program?
Yes.
Now let's take the new program. Variables rules. I will tell the rules first. Variable name should not start with number.
Capitals.
First of all, variable name is custom defined name. Variable name is user defined name. User defined, who is user? Who is user? Who is a person writing the program, that person is user. So variable name is user defined name. You can write your own name. You can write a movie name, you can write your father name, you can write your girlfriend name, whatever it is. Variable name is user defined name. That is the one important point. But whenever you are writing a variable name, you have to follow some rules and regulations. You have to obey with rules. What is the first rule here? What is the first rule? Variable name should not start with the number. It means one name. One name. Will take? Will not take. We'll check it out. The chapter first rule is this. Second rule is variable name do not have spaces. It means, for example, I want to write my variable name is first space name. It will take or not? It will not take.
No.
Next, one more point. Variable name should not allow special characters. What are the special characters? These are all special characters. These are all special characters. Variable name should not allow any special character, but variable name will allow only one special character. ఎట్లా తెలుసురా నీకు పైథాన్ వచ్చా పైథాన్ చెప్పేశారా మన ఆయన వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ should allow only one special character. What is the special character variable allowed? Underscore allowed. Underscore allowed. Now, so this program name is variables.py. Okay, can I write a variable now? First name. Okay, so one first name is equal to, I am trying to giving something like a Srinivas. Can I print one first name here? Print one first. What is the output of this program? Are you sure?
No.
Error. What is the error? One is the error. Variable name
Comma
variable name should not start with the number. That is the problem. Invalid decimal or literal. The error name is invalid decimal or literal. So the problem is variable name should not start with a number. మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏది? What is the program I created? Variables, huh? Variables.py. So this will not allow. Remove it or comment it. Now I am trying to writing a variable name first space name is equal to something like hello. It will take or not?
No.
Error also. It will not come. Why? Because of space is there. Okay,
Yes.
let me take first hyphen name. It will take or not?
No.
No. No. So you have to understand some rules and regulations for the variable name. Okay, let me give the variable name is something like first underscore name is equal to Srinivas. This will allow or not?
No.
Last name is equal to something like print first name, first underscore name. Yeah. Yeah. Print first name, print last underscore. Okay, this will get output or not? Unexpected indent will loss. Spaces will not go. Indentation. Python follows what? Python follows indentation. Spaces and new lines will not allow. Whatever the spaces and new lines will not allow in Python code. Remember. Unexpected spaces will not allow. I given some space now. That is the reason it will not execute. So this is the output for variables here. So we're done with arithmetic operators. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, I will close the IDLE now. I'll open Jupyter Notebook. I will show something in the Jupyter Notebook. Little bit Python codes we will write today. But Miru, whenever you people are doing practice, you open with IDLE, you save the file and do practice. but I will write for simple purpose. I will open Anaconda Navigator. I will write in a Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is also very, very comfortable. In future, you can do Jupyter notebook also. Okay, I am launching Jupyter notebook from Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is one environment which can contain Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is web IDE for Python codes. Web IDE for Python codes. Okay, let me go to the desktop. In OneDrive, I have desktop. On top of the desktop, I want to create a new Python file, new notebook. Okay, so this is comfortable way. Multiple times need not to create a .py here. So directly you can write Python code like this: 2 plus 3, shift enter. Shift enter or play. Click on play button. This is the play option. This is the play option or run option. To directly click on the play option or directly click on the run option. So click on the play option. What is the output here? 5. So name is equal to Python or name is equal to Srinivas. Okay. So what is the name now? Shift enter or play option. Shift enter for execution. Shift plus enter to run cell. Remember, in Jupyter it will work. In Jupyter only it will work. Now let me go with one more cell. Print of my name is comma name. Okay, even okay. So we already done operators. What are the operators we done? We done with arithmetic.
Arithmetic operator.
We done with arithmetic operators. Is it visible? Last is visible.
Yes.
We done with. We have to go with one more option. Logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators le em untayi. One is logical and logical or logical not. What is logical and? Logical and. What is logical and? True and true. Then only true. True and false. It will give you false. True. Sorry, false and true. Finally, it will be false. False and false. Finally, false. Important one point in the logical end. Important one point in the logical end. What is the point here is, if both statements are true, then only final output is true. If both statements are true, then only final statement is true. If any one of the statement is false, if any one of the statement is false, output is false. That is basically the concept of logical end. That is the concept of logical end. Remember. Okay, I want to copy the complete logical end here and keep in the another cell. Logical end with a program rather. Can we write a program on logical end?
Yes.
Okay, online people, session is going to be closing in less than 1 minute. Please join one more time. Last time. One more time, please join. We will close the session.
Yeah.
One more time, please join. We will close the session.
ये जाता
The third session is very, very important session. Third
Main
session is
section
very,
में
very
बोल-
important session. There are a lot of topics we have to discuss in the third session.
वो बहुत होता
Please join one more time. Okay, so now let's go with logical operators. Logical and operator. What is logical and? I am telling. True and true. True. True and false. False.
అదే
False
నిజమే
and
కదా.
true. False.
ఒక
False
దగ్గర
and
మనం
false.
అడుగుతుంది
False. And
లేదంటే
understand the both
కానీ
statements.
ఉంది మళ్ళీ అదే ఆ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్
Both
చేసి
statements are true. Then then only final output is true. If any one of the statement is false, output is false. Okay. Tell me the first statement. 2 greater than 3. True or false? 2 greater than 3. 2 greater than 3. True. Evuru Ramandi. 2 greater than 3. And
ఎవరో మెసేజ్
45 less than 56. 45 less than. Okay. Ante ikkada enti first the false and second one is true. False and true. False and true. Any one of the statement is false, obviously output is
False.
logical AND operator. Logical AND operator. Logical AND operator in Python is A and D and A and D and only. My statement is 2 greater than 3 is statement. First statement and second statement. First statement is false. Second statement is true. False and true is false. Now tell me,
False.
34 greater than 3 and 45 less than 56. True and
True and
true and true. Output is
true.
true. Now tell me 34 greater than 45 and 45 less than 67. False and
False and
false.
false.
What is the output of this?
False.
Obviously false. Logical AND operator. Very simple logical AND operator. Let me go for logical OR. Logical OR. Logical OR is very simple. True or true? True. True or false? True only. False or true? True only. False or false?
True.
So here the important point you have to remember is any one of the statement is true. Any one of the statement is true. Output is any one of the statement is true. Output is
True.
any one of the statement should be true. Then output will be true. This is basically logical OR. Now tell me very simple straightforward. 2 greater than 3 or 56 less than 67. First statement is false or
False.
true. False or true. What is the output of false or true?
True.
Okay, good boy. Output is true. Output is true. If both statements are true, 4 greater than 3 or 45 greater than 67. True or true? Then only true. True or true only?
True.
Getting my point? Simple,
Yes.
straightforward. Okay, so these operators now enough. Let me go for the input function. Input function. Input is Python predefined function. Input is Python function or predefined. Predefined means what? వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ ని పైథాన్ ప్రీడిఫైన్డ్ అంటారు. ప్రీడిఫైన్డ్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ డిఫైన్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. మనం డిఫైన్ చేయట్లేదు ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ని. ఆల్రెడీ డిఫైన్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. Using for take input from user. Take input from user. Okay. So first name f_name. Input of enter first name. L_name is equal to input of, or let me go, name, enter name, enter name. age, input of enter age. Okay, so next qualification. Qualification is equal to input of enter qualification. And finally, execute the program. Execute the program. Execute the program. So it is asking user input. It is asking user input. Please enter your name. Please enter your name. Hemanta. Hemant. Enter your age. Qualification. Over. Now over. Okay. Now can I able to print name? Can I able to print name? Name is already stored. What is the name? Can I able to print age?
Yes.
What is the output of this? Can I print qualification?
Yes.
Yes. Maybe. ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్ నోరా అసలు ఉందే చిన్నది QUA that is variable name print of QUA clear. Okay, now చెప్పండి price enter apple price 15 rupees. Quantity input of enter quantity. Enter quantity. Now tell me the price of apple. Okay, 100 rupees. One apple 100 rupees. Peddadra. Quantity of apples. 10 apples or 5 apples. Now my requirement is final price of the product. Final price of purchase. Final price is equal to price into quantity. Good boy. Price into quantity. Error. Correct.
No, here we are.
That is your string. The problem is one important point you have to remember. Input by default will take string. Input by default will take string data. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ లో ఇచ్చారు కదా క్వాంటిటీ ప్రైస్ అది ఇలా తీసుకుంటది. The second you are giving a quantity like 5, that is taking like this. And this and this string and string cannot multiply. String and string cannot multiply. First you convert a string into integer. Int of 100. It will convert to 100. Int of 5. It will convert to 5. Then 100 into 5. Okay, valid statement. End of the day, valid statement will come. Okay, so can I do one thing now? Final price is equal to int of price. Chepocha? Int of quantity. So final price, I want to print the final price. Final. Okay, so final price is not defined. What is the problem? Final price. Okay, sorry, this one. Final price of the apples. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, ఇంకొక example చేద్దాం. Okay, example. Mobile cost. Input of no topra. Enter mobile price. Enter mobile price. Discount. Discount. Input of percentage later వెళ్దాం లేదు ముందు ఇక్కడ రండి. Enter discount. Discount price. Enter discount value. Then final price is equal to mobile cost minus discount. Am I clear? Mobile cost minus
Discount.
మళ్ళీ ఇన్పుట్ చేయాలి కదా. What is the conversion now? Int of mobile cost minus int of discount. Good boy. Smart boy. Okay. Price. Okay. Print of final price of my mobile is final price of my mobile is comma final price. Chapandi. Enter the price of the product. 1,50,000. iPhone అనుకుందాం. 1,15 Pro na? Okay, 1,50,000. Example. Discount value 500 rupees. Chale 500 rupees. Then final price of the product is 1,49,500 rupees. ఇవన్నీ సింపులే. ఇప్పుడు వస్తావు కాంప్లికేట్ రా. ఇది program. I am copying and pasting the program. Mobile cost. Enter the mobile price. Discount. Enter discount in percentage. Enter discount in percentage. Now this is discount percentage. Final price. And one more point we have to calculate. Percentage value. Percentage value we have to calculate. For example, one simple example I am telling. General example. Product is 100 rupees. Discount is 5%. What is the discounted value? 5 rupees. Huh? What is the discounted value for 100 rupees? 5%. 5 rupees only. 100 rupees product. 23% discount. 1,000 rupees product. 23% discount. 230. 23% discount. 2,300 rupees is discount. 10,000 product. 10,000 product. 10% discount. 10,000 product, 10% discount. 1,000 rupees. Okay. Small jadam. Price is 10,000. Discount is 10%. Final price is 9,000. Discounted value is remember adi cheddam. Now discounted value calculate cheyali. How to calculate the discounted value? Int of mobile cost. Int of mobile cost. First mobile cost original price into discounted percentage. Int of discounted percentage. Int of discounted percentage divided by 100. Tells the percentage calculation. Divided by finally discounted value is percentage value. Final price is what? Int of mobile cost minus int of percentage value. Not discount for percentage. Discount percentage already converted to percentage value. Then final price of the product is mobile cost minus final value, discounted value. This is the discounted value. Now cheppandi execution. 10,000 product. Discount is 10%. Okay, 10% discount. Final price of the product is 9,000. Complicate price I will give you now. This is 10,000. 10,000 percentage calculation. 10% is very simple. Now I am giving a different number. Product price is 34,678 rupees. This is the mobile cost. Discounted price is 12% discount. 12% Ugadi offer. Then final price of the product is 30,517 rupees. Simple or not? But what we have to do is simple mathematical operations you have to remember to do this kind of programs. To do this kind of program, simple mathematical operations. The one operation we perform is type conversion. The one operation we perform is type conversion. Type ni convert chesama leda, string ni integer marcham. Otherwise, it will not. For example, x is equal to input of first number. Y is equal to input of second number. చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా దీసేపు ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. First number and second number. Z is equal to x plus y. Print of Z. Simple program, 4 లైన్లు. First line is input of first number. Second line is input of second number. Third line is Z is equal to x plus y. Fourth line is print of Z. Execute. Execute. What is the output of this program now? Percentage decimals low. Iswar, not possible. Even you entered in decimals, that will take as string. Okay. So what is the first number? Let me give 12. Second number is 34. Output is no. 1234. No. Eక్కడ multiplication, sir? Addition. 1234 concatenation. It is actually working like this 12 plus 12 plus 34. Finally, output is 1234. Concatenation just like this. Concatenation is just like this. Addition is just like this. Concatenation ante pakkana vachi కూర్చుంటుంది. That is called concatenation. Addition is something like arithmetic operation. Concatenation is also arithmetic operation, but this is a different kind of operation, only on strings. Now this is working as concatenation operation. So finally, I want to do one thing. Int of x. Cheppandi. Checha. Int of x. Int of. When I do like this, first number is 12. Second number is 34. Output is. This is output is 46. Why? Because of typecast. Typecast is working now. Typecast is working now. Okay, let me define simple data types. X is equal to 10. What is the data type here? Type of x. What is the data type here? X. What is the data type here? Int. Okay, y is equal to 10.56. Type of y? Float. Points. When you get points, that is floating type. Okay, so a is equal to hello. What is the data type? Type of a?
Very
String, str. Okay, b is equal to double quotes Python. Type of b? Single quotes you can use, double quotes also you can use. Single quotes you can use, double quotes also you can use to define strings. And one more thing, C is equal to triple single quotes. Srinivas. Type of C. String only. Single quotes, double quotes, triple single quotes, triple double quotes. Saumya is available in the class. లేని వాళ్ళ పేర్లు మనకి ఎందుకులే కానీ నీ పేరు ఎందుకు పై సంతోష్. సంతోష్ నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ సంతోషంగా ఉన్నావు. ఆల్వేస్ సంతోషంగా ఉండాలి సంతోష్. అలానే నిద్రపోతుంది. Type of D is STR only. STR itself. Santosh is Santosh. Okay, so D into 5. D into 5. What is happening? Santosh for multiple times. Santosh for 5 times. D plus D. What is happening? Santosh and Santosh. Concatenation is happening. D minus D. What is happening? Portadi. This will not allow. This will not allowed. Only multiplication is allowed. D by D allowed or not allowed? D plus D is allowed. D minus D is not allowed. D is a string. D is Santosh. Santosh plus Santosh will happen. Santosh into Santosh will happen. Santosh into 2. 2 times Santosh will print. Santosh into 10. 10 times Santosh will print. Okay, D to the power of D. Okay, D is the number now. D is the number. D is equal to 10 or D is equal to 4. D to the power of D. 4 to the power of 4. What is the 4 to the power of 4? 256. 4 to the power of 4, 256. Okay. Now, strings done. Is married is equal to true. Okay, what is married here? What is married here? The type of is married. This is the kind of Boolean value. Boolean value only we have two values, true or false. Is married is Boolean. Okay, now I am checking the character called S. I am checking the character called S. In D. D lo S అనేది ఉందా? ఉందా? D ఏంటి? First of all, what is the D? What is the D now? D is equal to Santosh. What is the D here? D is Santosh. Okay, S in D. True or false? Z in D.
False.
Called in operator. Membership operator. This operator is called membership operator. This operator is called membership operator. So membership, it is available or not checking. Okay, now let me tell you fruits. Cheppandi iష్టమైన fruits cheppandi. Apple. Mango is summer mango. Mangoes బాగా తింటావా? Orange. Grapes are. Kiwi తిన్నావురా?
Yes.
Okay, fruits. Now let's go with the fruits. Fruits is a collection. Fruits is the collection now. Now tell me how to gather only apple. Fruits of 0. Fruits of 0. When I say 0, apple will come. When I say 0, apple will come. Why? Because of this is called list object. Okay, let me tell you type of fruits. Type of fruits. What is the type of fruits now? So the session is going to be ending soon. The session is going to be ending soon. Please share your email ID, phone number, and your details in the WhatsApp group. Online people, please share all your details in WhatsApp group. You will get a participation certificate. There is a lot of Python available. For the time. One more workshop will plan in the next Sunday. Next Saturday. So next Saturday, one more workshop will plan according to the continuation of the Python. Continuation. There is a lot of more topics we have to discuss. I hope you get understand today's class or not. Konta netkunara little bit about Python.
Yes.
Okay, so now this type of the fruits is basically list. Okay, so fruits of 1:4, 1:4, 1:3. Only few fruits will come. Mango and orange will come. There are multiple concepts we have to go with. all the other concepts, important concepts, we'll have the one more workshop in the next Saturday, same time 11 to 1. Certificate only once. ఒకటే certificate. But interval ఇస్తున్నాం. This is kind of interval. Certificate ఇవాళ ఇస్తాం. Online people, so this session is going to be ending soon. Please share your details